Here's some help with the review for tomorrow's test. The test is open notes. You can use this review on your test. 10 to the third power is equal to 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100, and 100 times 10 is 1,000. 12 to the negative 2. Anytime we have a negative exponent, the first thing we need to do is write that in the denominator. Same base with the positive exponent. So 12 to the negative 2 is the same as 1 over 12 to the positive 2. So that equals 1 over 12 times 12. And 12 times 12 is 144, so that's 1 over 144. Do the same thing here. Negative 6 to the negative 3 is the same as 1 over negative 6 to the positive 3. Let's do this up here. Negative 6 to the positive 3 is negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 6 is 36 because 6 times 6 is 36 and the signs are the same, so the answer is positive. Then 36 times negative 6 is negative 216. Signs are different, so the answer is negative. So the denominator would be 216. And this fraction would be negative 1 over 216. 15 to the negative 1 is equal to 1 over 15 to the positive 1. And any base number to the first power is just equal to the base itself, so that's 1/15. 24 to the first power, again, any base number to the first power is just equal to the base number itself, so that's 24. 10 to the negative 5 is equal to 1 over 10 to the positive 5. And remember, for powers of 10, we can just write it as a 1 with this number of zeros, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 over 100,000. And if you didn't remember that, you could do 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, one step at a time, and you'll still get to 100,000. Okay, find the value, evaluate each expression. Don't forget PEMDAS. So PEMDAS. First we need to do anything in parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. So we do have parentheses in number 7, but there's nothing to be done inside the parentheses. It's just 7 to the 0 power. So any number to the 0 power is equal to positive 1. So rewriting my expression, this is 12 times 1 plus 10 to the negative 2. 10 to the negative 2 is equal to 1 over 10 to the positive 2. Again, rewriting. 1 over 10 squared. 10 squared is 10 times 10. So that's 1 over 100 plus 12 times 1. Now we're on step 3, multiplication and division. 12 times 1 is 12, and 12 plus 1 100th is equal to 12 and 1 100th. Okay, this thing, well, this looks nasty. We don't have any parentheses, but we have a bunch of exponents, so let's take them from left to right. 10 squared is 10 times 10, that's 100, minus 3 cubed plus 4 squared over 144 to the 0 power. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, so that's 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So 100 minus 27 plus 4 squared over 144 to the 0 power. 4 squared is 4 times 4, so that's 16. And 144 to the 0 power. Any number to the 0 power is just 1, so 16 over 1. So this is 100 minus 27 plus 16 over 1. 16 divided by 1 is just 16. So 100 minus 27 plus 16. 100 minus 27 is 73 plus 16, and that equals 89. I would do that one again and double check. That's it for this. I'll pick up the review in the next video.